Hi, if you're seeing these solutions on YouTube, click on the description below, take these as a test and then check out the solutions for free.
Which of the following is true? Two lines may intersect at more than one point. This is not true. And so two lines can be parallel, in which case they don't intersect at all, no matter how much you extend them, or they could intersect at one point. Think about it. You have a line, you have a second line, if it cuts it at one point, right? That means this side it's not going to cut it, it's divergent. This side it's not going to cut it, it's divergent. So the number of intersection points between any two lines is either 0 or 1. It is 0 if the lines are parallel. It is 1 if they are not parallel. Given two lines, I'm looking at statement 2 now, statement B. Given two lines, exactly 3 transversals can be drawn for these lines. Two lines, exactly 3 transversals can be drawn for these two lines. Why? I can draw a 4th one, a 5th one, 6th one, 7th one, and a 17th one. Given two lines, you can draw any number of transversals to this. This is also wrong. A transversal is a line that cuts a system of lines. That's it. Nothing else. You have two lines, you have a third line, it's a transversal. You have 4 lines, you have a 5th line, it can be called a transversal. If 3 lines intersect at one point, each of the lines is the transversal of the other 2. 3 lines intersect at one point. Each of the lines is a transversal of the other 2. This is true. Why so? If you take 2 lines, this is a system of lines, you draw a third line through that, it can be called a transversal. And so any 2 lines you can call it a system of lines. The third one can be called a transversal. It's a very simple definition. A transversal is the new line in a set of lines. And so if each of these lines can be called the transversal of the other 2, technically yes. These 3 lines are said to be concurrent. Know that term, we'll keep revisiting it. The 3 lines are said to be concurrent. Right? So any 3 lines, even if they pass through the same point, any one can be called transversal of the other 2.